how do they look so cute? Yes, parrots are birds, but they are fascinating and intelligent birds. Colorful and diverse parrots come in vibrant colors and shapes, promoting appreciation for nature's beauty and diversity. Parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to solve problems, inspiring kids to develop critical thinking skills. Parrots are renowned for mimicking human speech and other sounds, highlighting the significance of effective communication and language skills. Parrots have adapted to various environments, demonstrating their ability to thrive in different situations, a valuable lesson for kids. Parrots are mostly herbivores. They eat fruits, vegetables, leaves, seeds, and nuts. Each parrot has a distinct personality, encouraging kids to appreciate individually and celebrate their own uniqueness. Help parrots to thrive in the environment. They make your environment lovely and fascinating. Their chirping calms the soul,